Hey guys, Daniel Bates from Redesigned Blogs and The Real Estate Tomato. I'm here on my YouTube channel, as they're called. It's just basically your profile. But I've noticed a trend of a whole lot of people pointing their, putting like, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and then putting their YouTube channel. And it's definitely a good thing if you're using video. Don't get me wrong, I'm not discouraging the use of video or the use of YouTube. But when somebody's taken here to YouTube, there's not a whole lot of interaction that goes on. This really isn't very much of a social network, and other than that, people, if it's a very popular video, people might leave comments. But I think you'll see that most of the time when you put your video on your blog post and on Facebook and things like that, that's where you're going to get most of your commenting. So I wanted to show you today a WordPress plugin called Tubepress that I think will do you a better service than taking people off of your website over here to YouTube. Basically, I'll give you a couple demonstrations, but this is basically what Tubepress does. It creates an individual page on your website where you're displaying a video of your choice and then any other videos that you'd like. If you have a YouTube account, these can pull directly from YouTube. So the good thing is you could have all of your listings on your YouTube account, and this could just be a featured listing videos. And I'll show you how to set that up. But here's another example on my Redesigned Blog site. It's got the video, and in this case, these are just videos that I've favorited. They're all mine, but I specifically went through my videos and I selected certain ones to be my favorite. Now you can also favorite other people's videos, and that could be a method that you use to sort through these videos. But the real advantage to this is that you're not having, like, for instance, a category called videos, which is trying to load 10 video posts all at once. It's just simply loading the most recent or whatever. You can make it load a specific one, the most popular by term of view counts on YouTube, or the most recent, or the oldest, or whatever you want it to show. And then if I want to watch another one, so writing a post, I can come down here and it's going to load that very, very quickly. I can watch all of these videos, but it's not trying to load 10 videos or even 5 videos at once. It's just doing it one at a time. So let me walk you through the steps to get this set up. First of all, you want to log into the back end of WordPress. You want to go ahead and go over to plugins. Now, if you're on the Real Estate Tomato Matrix server, this is already in the server, so I'm going to guide you using that. But if it's not, you could just go to plugins, add new, and search for the word Tubepress, and you'll find this plugin. But in this case, we're going to come down here, look for Tubepress, and you want to make sure that you click this if it says activate, so that this is activated. Tubepress's settings are all found under Settings, Tubepress. So once you've activated, you'll get to Settings, Tubepress, and you're going to see a page like this. It works with both YouTube and Vimeo, so wherever you keep your images, I would recommend uploading all of your great videos to YouTube because they just get great SEO and they can show up in the search engines alone, regardless of what post you've embedded them in. But you can do it one of two ways that I would recommend. One, you could mark specific videos favorites and then give your account, or you can just have it display all of your videos from your account. So that's under the Which Videos tab. There's also under here, let's see, that's Which Videos. Then under Appearance, you can tell it, basically the size of those thumbnails. You can tell the order which the videos show up, and there's a whole lot of different orders here. And then finally, under the embedded player, you've got the size of that larger top video. And so you can max this out larger if you've got a bigger content section. Once you've done that, you're going to go over to create a new page. So go to Pages, Add New, name it whatever you want, and then you just got to put this little line of shortcode in here that's basically the square brackets surrounding the word Tubepress. This can be in either the visual or the HTML tab because this is shortcode, it's not HTML. And this will only work if you have that plugin activated. So if you do this without a plugin, you're not going to get anything. But you could write content above or below this if you wanted. Then go ahead and publish that page. And like I said, in the end, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get the title of your page, and then Tubepress generates the rest of this content. So that's the Tubepress plugin. I hope you enjoy. If you need it, if you have any questions, email Molly at realestatetomato.com.